Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your eBay account is ready and verified. That speeds checkout and avoids holds. Next, check the gift card balance and issuer restrictions so you know how much you can spend and whether partial redemptions are allowed. Once done, copy the gift card code and keep the issuer email and any PIN handy for quick entry. This prevents interruptions during payment and reduces the chance you'll need to change payment methods mid-purchase. You pick the items and confirm the total including shipping and taxes so the gift card will cover the right amount. At checkout, select Add a payment method or gift card depending on eBay's flow. This ensures the platform applies the card correctly. When entering the code, type it exactly and click Apply, then make sure the gift card balance appears before proceeding. If the card doesn't cover the full amount, choose a second payment method to cover the remainder. You finish by reviewing the order summary and clicking Place Order once the gift card is applied. Save the confirmation and receipt for records. If the gift card balance is short, split the payment using a saved debit/credit card or PayPal as eBay allows mixed payments. This prevents order cancellation. If the code fails, retry typing, check for expiration or remaining balance, and contact the card issuer if needed. Don't submit multiple failed attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.